Hello everyone! Today we're making a refreshing spicy glass noodle salad. And to add satisfying flavors, we're using Sarangani Bay, smoked bangus, and white shrimps. Let's start by preparing the dressing. Combine red onions, chili flakes, sugar, canola oil, lime juice, fish sauce, and rice vinegar in a shaker bottle. Shake well, then set aside in the chiller. Now for our salad, we combine pre-cooked glass noodles, carrots, cucumber, red radish, cilantro, tomatoes, basil, smoked fish, white shrimps, peanuts, then pour in our prepared dressing and toss gently. And here's our Thai-inspired spicy glass noodle salad with smoked fish and shrimps. Enjoy!